Are you studying the wrong way? Have you ever studied for hours, yet remembered nothing? You feel tired, frustrated, and stressed. You promise yourself, tomorrow I'll do better. But deep down, you know, you're doing it all wrong. Before it's too late, you need to learn the correct way to study. Because wasting time on the wrong method will cost you more than just grades. The real problem with most students make the same mistakes. They read their notes again and again. They highlight every word on the page. They cram the night before the exam. But these methods don't work. Let me tell you a story. Ali was a hard-working student. He copied every note carefully. He thought he was prepared. But when results came, failure. Hours of work, gone. Nothing to show. The problem? He studied the wrong way. The truth about studying. Studying isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about how your brain learns. If you follow the right techniques, you can remember more in less time. You can stay calm, confident, and ready for any test. The good news? Anyone can learn these methods. And today, I'll show you step by step how to do it. Step 1, Active Recall. Don't just reread. Stop rereading your notes. It doesn't work. Instead, use Active Recall. Ask yourself questions. Then answer them without looking. Your brain will work harder. It will store the information better. Let me give you an example. Sarah used to reread her notes all the time. She could never remember anything. Then she tried Active Recall. She asked herself questions and wrote answers without help. Her next exam? She remembered everything. Easily. Tip: use flashcards or simple question lists. Test yourself daily. Step 2, Spaced repetition. Review smartly. Most students try to memorize everything at once. This is a big mistake. Instead, use spaced repetition. Review topics multiple times. Space these reviews over days or weeks. Forgetting is normal. It's part of learning. Imagine this. Study a topic today. Review it in 2 days. Review again in a week. By the last review, your brain will remember it automatically. Even small daily sessions are more effective than long, tiring ones. Step 3, Focused study sessions, short and powerful. Long distracted hours are useless. Instead, try short, focused sessions. Work for 25 to 30 minutes. Take a 5-minute break. Repeat. This method keeps your brain sharp. It reduces stress. It makes studying feel easier. Even a student like Omar, who used to waste hours scrolling, found studying became fun and productive with this method. Tip: set a timer. No phones. No distractions. Just focus. Step 4, teach what you learn, the ultimate test. If you can teach it, you truly know it. Nina tried this. She explained topics to her younger brother. She didn't just repeat words. She had to understand everything clearly. The result? On her exam, she remembered every detail. Teaching forces your brain to organize knowledge. It makes studying faster and easier. Tip: teach to a friend, a sibling, or even a mirror. If you can explain it, you know it. Step 5, stop multitasking, focus on one thing. Many students try to study while listening to music, checking phones, or watching videos. It doesn't work. Your brain can't focus on multiple things at once. You'll remember less. You'll waste time. Focus on one subject, one topic, one page. Then move to the next. Even 30 minutes of full focus beats hours of distracted work. Step 6, take care of your body. Your brain works best when your body is healthy. Sleep, water, and proper nutrition are essential. No matter how well you study, if you're tired or stressed, your memory won't work. Even 7 to 8 hours of proper sleep can double your focus and retention. Drink water. Take short walks, avoid junk food during study hours. A healthy body equals a healthy, learning brain. Step 7, stay consistent, don't wait. Consistency beats intensity. Even small daily study sessions are better than last-minute cramming. If you study the right way, every day, you'll see results faster than you think. Success doesn't come to those who study the hardest. It comes to those who study the right way, every day. Visualize your success. Now imagine this. You enter the exam hall calm and confident. No panic. No last-minute stress. Your answers flow naturally. You feel proud of yourself. Meanwhile, other students panic. They regret not studying correctly. This can be your reality. If you start today, right now. Common mistakes to avoid: reading notes over and over, highlighting everything, cramming the night before, multitasking while studying, ignoring health and sleep. Avoid these. Replace them with the correct methods I shared. The correct way to study. Active recall: test yourself. Don't just read. Spaced repetition: review topics multiple times. Focused study sessions: short, powerful, distraction-free. Teach what you learn explains everything clearly. Single tasking: focus on one thing at a time. Take care of your body: sleep, water, food. Consistency: small daily sessions beat cramming. Follow these steps, and you'll transform the way you study forever. Start today. Stop wasting time on the wrong methods. Start implementing these steps right now. Comment below: what's your biggest study struggle? I want to know. Like this video if it helped you. Share it with friends who are struggling. And save it for later so you can use it again. Studying the right way changes everything. It saves time, reduces stress, and builds confidence. Don't wait until it's too late. Start today. Study smarter, not harder. And success will follow.